Boy, Vince, have I got a story for you. First of all, zero. It's an abstraction. Nowhere in nature does it appear. Nowhere can it be measured. You tell me how zero can possibly exist after this one. Well, actually, let me back up. I'm not going to jump right into it. I want to set you up so we can have a successful dialogue in the future. Basic concept. Numbers are harmonics. The universe is harmonics, as it is just vibration. I am not going to extrapolate on that. If you are not up to speed, then you got a lot of work to do. Second, smart people right now are looking for patterns. They're not following the particle, quantum, hoopla, cult, sci-fi crap that they're trying to put out to imply that the universe is a crack whore with no rhyme or reason when we can clearly express everything with small, simple, short functions. But the quantum mechanics, they're inventing particles to balance out their equations because they recognize that zero is not a number. It is a placeholder for our lack of understanding of polarity. But I'll clear that up too. Don't you worry about a thing, buddy boy. Alright, so what I'm going to describe here is called Vortex math. It might look a little contrived to somebody who's not into computers, but this is actually how you can do all functions of math simultaneously on a computer. It is the way that we are going to be leading the future in technology because it is a small demographic of people in the Pacific Northwest who completely understand what's going on here. So first, I'm gonna show you. Here's 1, 2, 3. We're just doing whole numbers, no esoteric, abstract. Like I know you're pretty far behind, but we're gonna get there. Don't you worry, buddy. 8, 9. All right, so we got our setup. There's 1 through 9. These are the ones that we can account for. And we're not going to be doing esoteric numbers, no double decimals, because remember, we're finding the digital root. So, doubles, here we go. The first double, we could start at 1, is 2. Next double, 2 plus 2 is 4. Pretty easy. 4 plus 4 is 8. Hold on. 8 plus 8 is 16, the astute student might ask. Well, actually, because we're finding the digital root, we could take 16, add 6 plus 1, and come up with 7. Now, the astute student might ask next, are we going to do 7 plus 7? Well, of course not. We're not going to bounce around this pattern like a particle physicist in an insane asylum. What we're going to be doing is we're going to take 16 and we're going to double it. And we're going to get 32. So from 7, where would we move with 32? We're going to go to 5. Holy smokes, Batman. So do you need me to explain the next one to you or not? Let's just go. I want you to recognize this is a square. It's not a fucking shape square. It is a measurement device square. Because all organic matter falls under the doubles rule. Harmonics follow under the doubles rule. Stones fall under the doubles rule. Inanimate objects completely and totally fall under the doubles rule. So I said these numbers are the laws of nature. And 6, 9, and 3 are of higher nature. Now what do I mean by that? Well, let's refer to 6 and 3 as magnetic, because if you double 3, you go to 6. Double 6, you get 12, and then you go to 3. And then you double 12, you get 24. And so we have an oscillation. Now, we can get into the semantics of what vortex-based mathematics are, or we can go straight to the dirty. But essentially, 9 is untouchable. Yet, they both depend. as magnetic on 9. How does that work? Well, let's see if we've made it this far for you to understand what's really going on.